We are in Atlanta, Georgia, the Hollywood of the South, as it has now been dubbed. And there's a lot of independent filmmakers out here. So what is step one for them in regards to coming to see you?
Step one for filmmakers is normally doing a consultation with the firm. That consultation allows me to understand what they are working on. A lot of times you hear people say, don't do anything before you get an entertainment attorney. And for some clients, it may be premature. That is why the consultation is so important. Now, building the relationship with an attorney that you can trust and that you are comfortable with ahead of needing them is extremely important, because things can happen very fast for a filmmaker. Whether that is, someone has come to you and they want to bring you onto a project as a producer or a director, or if you are a content creator, if someone says, hey, I want to purchase your script or I want to option it, you want to have a relationship. So with that being the case, I would say step one is just identifying who you want to work with, sitting down with them, having a meeting just to make sure that you are comfortable, so that when something does come about that is next steps, you can actually have that person that you call upon. Now, once you are at that point and you have that person and you're ready to proceed, then it's time for the engagement, and that's when the good retainer has to be paid. But, or however those terms that you guys work out, that's, next step. But I would just say identifying someone who actually practices in the area, building the rapport and the relationship ahead of needing them, so that when you do need them, they're already in position.
Is there anything that filmmakers coming into Georgia to film need to know in contrast to other states like California or New York?
For one, Georgia is not a union state. The other thing is, I think that understanding the incentives that are available for filmmakers that are filming here is a big piece, because that's money that you're able to get back at the end of the day. Knowing the rules and which offices to contact, that's another big piece, because a lot of times when it comes to independent filmmakers, every dollar counts. So you don't want to spend money by getting fined and paying penalties, when if you just do the research in the home, do your homework up front and use the resources that are available. Because Georgia is constantly trying to entice filmmakers to come here, there are so many different resources that are available. And when you look like at the Film Commission and, even in the city of Atlanta, where they actually have the film office, where they have automated a lot of things online to make it so that it's easy. You have the resources there. Now, whether or not you choose to use them can sometimes be the difference between you going under budget or you going way over budget.